Lesson 1. The process of genetic transmission. Chromosomes, meiosis, sexual reproduction, and mitosis. Chromosomes are located inside the nucleus, a microscopic organ at the center of every human cell. Chromosomes carry the genes that code the aspects of ourselves, that which we inherit. Most cells contain a full complement of 46 chromosomes, which contain enough genetic material to provide the foundation for a typical human. The key exception to this rule are the egg and sperm cells, which contain only half of this material, that is 23 chromosomes. The egg or ovum is very small, only just visible to the naked eye, and somewhat smaller than the full stop at the end of a sentence. Nonetheless, it is the largest type of cell in a woman's body. The nucleus of the ovum contains half the genetic information needed to construct a new person. The sperm, the smallest cell in a man's body, is microscopically small and about 90,000 times lighter than the egg. It comprises a head which contains the other half of genetic information and a whip-like tail which propels it through the woman's reproductive system in search of the ovum. The process by which the genetic material of a new person is formed begins when the egg and sperm cells are formed in the reproductive organ of the mother and father, the ovaries and the testes. This happens by a special form of cell division called meiosis. In meiosis, the 46 chromosomes in total 23 chromosome pairs are split or halved. When the egg and sperm unite in a process called sexual reproduction, 23 chromosomes from the sperm combine with 23 chromosomes from the egg to produce the full 46 chromosomes for a new person. The new individual's 46 chromosomes are thus in 23 pairs, with one half of each pair from the father and the other half from the mother. This pairing is possible because each chromosome contributed by the father's sperm is homologous, similar in shape and function, to one of the chromosomes contributed by the mother's egg. Copies of these original 23 homologous pairs of chromosomes are passed on to every cell in a person's body, apart from the reproductive cells, which already have 23 single chromosomes. During meiosis, that halving process mixes chromosomes that originated from the father with chromosomes that originated from the mother. Further genetic variability is added during meiosis by a process called crossing over, in which equivalent sections of homologous chromosomes randomly switch place so that genetic information is shuffled even more. The outcome of all this shuffling and sorting process is that there are a huge range of possible ways in which a child's genetic inheritance can arise from the genetic contribution of his or her parents. Following the fusion of the egg and sperm in sexual reproduction, the new human consists of a single-celled zygote. The developmental process by which the zygote eventually becomes the hugely complex multicellular human adult is reinforced by a form of cell division called mitosis. During mitosis, a cell duplicates its chromosomes and then divides into daughter cells that have the exact same number of chromosomes as their parent cell. Thus, the zygote divides and continues to divide each time, producing new cells that have the full complement of 46 chromosomes. Because each new cell can also undergo mitosis, cell population in the developing organism grows rapidly as one cell becomes 2, and then 2 cells become 4, 4 becomes 8, 8 becomes 16, and so on and so on.